Hello students, welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. Today's in this session, we will discuss about the octet rule, then the formation of covalent bonds in various molecules, and the rules for the formation of Lewis dot structure of various molecules. Okay. See the definition of octet rule. In order to acquire stability, an atom can either lose, gain or share electron so that the valence shell contains 8 electrons. So this is known as the octet rule. So exceptions are found in hydrogen and helium, and you can see that in case of hydrogen it has only 1 electron, and in case of helium its valence shell has 2 electron. So hydrogen or helium or valence shell maximum 2 electron occupy koribo pare. Now see the different bond formation during the formation of covalent bonds. Okay, so we all know that covalent bonds are formed by the sharing of electrons, and we can show the formation of covalent bonds by the Lewis dot structures. See the formation of covalent bond between the atoms chlorine. So we know that chlorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, and we have represent these electrons by Lewis dot symbols. Okay, so this is one chlorine atom and this is another chlorine atom. After their combination, they will form the covalent bond. By sharing the electrons, they will complete their valence shell electrons and get the stable electronic configuration. And this covalent bond is formed by the sharing of one electron pair. Okay, so it is called as the single covalent bond. So the Lewis dot structures can be written for other molecules also. In such type of molecules, the combining atoms may be identical or may be different. Okay, and there are some important conditions for the generation of Lewis dot structures for such type of molecules. And now we will discuss the conditions which are followed by different molecules. So the first reason for the Lewis structure is what? Each bond is formed as a result of sharing of an electron pair between the atoms. So each bond form hote hiote atomor mazot electron pair to share koribo lagibo. Second point is what? Each combining atom contributes at least 1 electron to the shared pair. So protek to combine kora atome shared pair ole ki koribo lagibo? Eta electron contribute koribo lagibo. Third point hoise the combining atoms attain the outer shell noble gas configurations. মানে কি হৈছে জিমান এটমে কম্বিনেশনত পাৰ্টিসিপেট কৰিব হে প্ৰত্যেকটো এটমে তাৰ নিয়াৰেষ্ট নবল গেছৰ ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক কনফিগাৰেশনটো গেইন কৰিব. So these are the 3 conditions for the formation of Lewis structure for same and different atoms. আৰু এটা important condition হৈছে deciding the central atom. So there are some conditions by which you can decide the central atom. So first condition for deciding the central atom is what? In general, the least electronegative atom is central atom. So generally, junto atomor electronegativity to kom hoy hetu ki koa hoy central atom hisabe consider kora hoy. Second point to hoise atom which is less in numbers. So jikono eta molecules যেতিয়া ডিফাৰেণ্ট এটম থাকিব সিহঁতৰ লিউইছ ডট ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো আকোতে আমি কি চাব লাগিব যে যেটো এটমৰ নাম্বাৰটো কম আছে সেই এটমটো কি হ'ব তাৰ কাৰণে সেন্ট্ৰেল এটম হিচাপে কনসিডাৰ কৰা হ'ব. থাৰ্ড পইণ্টটো হৈছে এটম হুইচ ক্যান ফৰ্ম ম্যাক্সিমাম নাম্বাৰ অফ বন্ডছ. সো ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ইন কেস অফ মিথেন, সো কাৰ্বন ক্যান ফৰ্ম maximum bonds, that is why carbon will consider as the central atom. Fourth point is the largest atom. মানে যদি এটমটোৰ সাইজটো ডাঙৰ হয় তেতিয়া সেই এটমটোকো Lewis dot structure আকোতে সেন্ট্ৰেল এটম হিচাপে কনসিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰি আৰু এটা নোট কৰিবলগীয়া কথা যে কি হাইড্ৰোজেন এণ্ড ফ্লোৰিন ক্যান নেভাৰ এক্ট এজ সেন্ট্ৰেল এটম এজ দে আৰ মনোভেলেন্ট সো হাইড্ৰোজেন আৰু ফ্লোৰিন থকা মলিকুলত সিহঁতে কেতিয়াও কি নকৰে সেন্ট্ৰেল এটম হিচাপে কাম নকৰে কিয় নকৰে বিকজ হাইড্ৰোজেন আৰু ফ্লোৰিনৰ ভ্যালেন্সিটো কি হয় সদায় 1 হয় সেইকাৰণে সিহঁতক সেন্ট্ৰেল এটম হিচাপে কনসিডাৰ কৰা নহয় সো দিজ আৰ সাম conditions to write down the Lewis dot structure of different molecules. Now I am taking the example of water molecule. Here we have to consider oxygen as the central atom and we know that oxygen has 6 valence electron and we will represent the valence electron by Lewis dot symbols. See, this is a oxygen atom, so I am placing this valence electron by Lewis dot structure. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Again hydrogen has 1 valence electron, so this is 1 for this hydrogen and this is another electron for this hydrogen. Now they will share electrons to form the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Now hydrogen has completed its duplet by 2 electron and the central atom, that is oxygen, has completed its octet. Or you can see that by the sharing of these 2 electrons they will form one single bond and another single bond, and these are known as single covalent bond, and these unoccupied electrons are known as lone pair. Okay, so 2 lone pairs are present in this molecule and bone pairs are 2. So if someone will ask you that what is single bond, then you can say it as what? If 2 atoms share 1 pair of electrons, the covalent bond between them is called a single bond. So this bond is formed by the sharing of 1 pair of electrons. And in general water has V-shaped structure. Okay, so its structure will be like this. See the another example of molecule, that is carbon dioxide, which form covalent bond between them. Here the central atom will be what? Carbon. Why? Because it has least electronegativity than oxygen. If you see the Lewis dot electronic configuration of carbon dioxide, then you can see that carbon and oxygen will share their valence electron like this. Okay, so all 3 atoms has 8 electrons in their valence shell. That means they completed their octet. Or you can represent this carbon dioxide molecule like this, and they will form double bond between these 2 atoms. So these 2 atoms will share 2 pairs of electrons. So if 2 atoms share 2 pairs of electrons, the covalent bond between them is termed as double bond. Another example of molecule which form triple bond is what? Dinitrogen. To complete its octet, each nitrogen will share their valence electron like this. Or you can draw this molecule like this, and they will form this triple bond. This triple bond is formed by the sharing of 3 electron pairs between these 2 atoms. When combining atoms share 3 electron pairs as in the formation of covalent bond, it is termed as triple bond. So nitrogen will form triple bond by the sharing of 3 electron pairs. So the Lewis dot structure provide a picture of bonding in terms of shared pair of electrons and octet rule in the formation of molecules. So you have to know how to draw the Lewis dot structure for various molecules. So there are some steps to draw the Lewis dot structure. So by following these steps, it will be easier to draw the Lewis dot structures. So first step is what? Count all the valence electrons. So first আমি যেটো molecular Lewis dot structure to draw কৰিব লাগে, তাৰ কাৰণে সেই atom বিলাকৰ valence shell electron to count কৰিব লাগিব. So second step to ki hobo, draw the least electronegative atom at the center with other atoms spaced evenly around it. Jitu atomor electronegativity to kom hobo, he atom to ami ki korim center atom hisabe draw korim. Aru baki atom bilak ki hobo, tar sarifale terminal atom hisabe placed hobo. Third step amak ki koise, draw single bonds to the central atom. So central atom aru tar terminal atom bor majot ami ki koribo lagibo edal single bond draw koribo lagibo. So next step amak ki koise je complete octet with remaining electrons for the outer atom first and add remaining electrons if any to the central atom. First ami jeta outer atom thakibo he outer atom gitar octet to fulfill koribo lagibo. Tar pisot jiman electron valence electronor pora baki thake he baki thoka electron gita central atomot add koribo lagibo. Last step ot ki koise complete the central atom octet by making covalent bond. Eti ami covalent bond add kori pini central atomoro octet to complete koribo lagibo. So these are the 5 steps to draw the Lewis dot structure. So now we have taken the example of nitrate ion, that is NO3 minus. So to draw the Lewis dot structure for nitrate ion, we will follow the steps as I have mentioned above. So first step is what? To count the valence electron of nitrate ion. So 5 for nitrogen plus the valence electron of oxygen will be what? 6. So there are 3 oxygen atom. So that is 6 into 3. And there is one negative charge and the negative charge will be added in the valence electron. So you have to know that the number of anions will always added to count the valence shell electrons. So total number of valence shell electrons will be what? 24 electrons. So in the second step, what it was mentioned, that draw the least electronegative atom at the center with other atoms spaced evenly around it. So second step on jito least electronegative atom ase tak ami central atom hisabe draw koribo lagibo. According to the third step, now we have to draw the single bonds to the central atom. See the fourth step, what it was mentioned, complete octet with remaining electrons for the outer atoms first and add remaining electrons if any to the central atom. So fourth step ot eta ami outer by your terminal atom gita octet to ami fulfill koribo lagibo. Okay, tar pisot jiman electron e valence shellor pora baki thake heigita ami ki koribo lagibo, jodi baki thake tetia ami central atomor logot add koribo lagibo. So these are the outer atom. Now if you see that a atoms kitai jihetu edal single bond form korise, so hihote eta electron pair share kori ase. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now a oxygen or octet to fulfill hobor karone yak kiman electron lagibo? Already duta electron bond form korise, so aru amak lagibo kiman 6 electron. Now we have to place this 6 electrons by Lewis dot symbols. 1 2 3 4 5 6. A oxygen atom to ki koribo eta 6ta electron loi pini yar octet to complete koribo. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again for this atom 1 2 3 4 5 6. So eta ki hoise a jegita outer atom ase hihotor octet to complete hoi goise. Now see how many electrons are participate in this bond formation. So hihote already 3 into 8, that is 24 electron completely share kori lole hoine. So 24 electron a octet kita fulfill hote share hoi gol. Eta remaining electron kiman thakile, valence shell electron asle 24 aru সিহঁতে অক্টেট ফুলফিল কৰোঁতেও 24 ইলেক্ট্ৰন শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি ল'লে সো তাত কোনো আৰু ইলেক্ট্ৰন বাকি নাই থকা সো 24 - 24 কিমান হ'ব 0 সো এতিয়া যদি আমি এই নাইট্ৰজেনৰ অক্টেটটো চাওঁ ইয়াৰ কিমান আছে ইলেক্ট্ৰন 1 2 3 4 5 6 সো ইয়াৰ অক্টেটটো ফুলফিল হোৱা নাই আৰু দুটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন লাগিব টু গেট ইটস ষ্টেবল noble gas configuration so fifth step কি কৈছে complete the central atom octet by making covalent bond এতিয়া আমি এই central atom টোৰ octet টো কমপ্লিট কৰিব লাগিব so step 5 ত এতিয়া আমি এই যেটো নাইট্ৰজেন central atom ইয়াৰ octet টো ফুলফিল কৰিম as you can see that all the electrons are involved in this outer atom to complete its octet so there is no electron so এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিম যিকোনো এটা অক্সিজেনৰ পৰা ইয়াৰ দুটা ইলেক্ট্ৰন নাইট্ৰজেনত প্লেস কৰিম আৰু তেতিয়া হি কি কৰিব ডাবল বন্ড ফৰ্ম কৰিব আৰু তাৰ অক্টেটটো ফুলফিল হ'ব for example we are taking this two electron to complete its octet rule so কি কৰিব হিহতে এতিয়া এই ইলেক্ট্ৰন দুটা গৈ পিনি ইয়া ডাবল বন্ড ফৰ্ম কৰিব আৰু এই অক্সিজেনটোত এটা নেগেটিভ চাৰ্জটো আহি যাব so ইয়াক আমি এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰো বুজি পাইছা so this is the Lewis dot structure for nitrate ion আৰু যদি এতিয়া সোৱা হিহতৰ অক্টেটটো গুটেকিটা এটমৰ কাৰণে কমপ্লিট হৈছে so it has 8 electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 this has also 8 electron this atom has also 8 electron and this nitrogen has also 8 electron that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 now say there is a question that is what write the Lewis structure of carbon monoxide molecule that is CO so how can you write the Lewis dot structure for carbon monoxide molecule so in the first step we have to count the total number of valence electron so in case of carbon monoxide carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electron so 4 plus 6 that is equal to 10 electrons in the second step we have to draw the skeletal structure of carbon monoxide molecule so here it has only 2 atoms so we can write it as carbon and oxygen in the third step we have to draw a single bond between these two atoms now we have to complete the octet of oxygen atom okay so first ami oxygen or octet to complete koribo lagibo so ami janu je oxygen or octet to complete hobole kiman lagibo 8 electron lage so 2 electrons are already present for oxygen and there will be other 6 electron to complete its octet now say oxygen has completed its octet by this 8 electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and total valence electron is what 10 so remaining electrons will be what 10 minus 8 that is equal to 2 electrons so 2 electrons will take the position of carbon atom okay so there will be 2 atoms left from the valence electron step 5 is what complete the central atom octet by making covalent bond etia jodi soa ami carbon ke yat central atom hisabe loisu kiyo karon carbon is least electronegative than oxygen so jodi soa je carbon or etia octet to fulfill hoise ne obviously nai hoa because carbon e keta electron loise 1 2 3 and 4 so aru 4টা electron ki hobo lagibo yat present hobo lagibo tetia he carbon or octet to fulfill hobo etia he carbon or octet to fulfill koribo lagibo e oxygen or pray bujisa and that is why they will form multiple bond so carbon and oxygen will share 3 pair of electrons to fulfill its octet rule so after sharing these 3 pair of electrons carbon and oxygen will form triple bond okay and this satisfies the octet rule condition for both the atoms okay so this is the Lewis dot structure for carbon monoxide molecule So this is all about for today's session. Hope you like this video. For more updates, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.